quick view of how it looks at night. It says need some windshield wiper fluid. The lights, everything. The towel, I just finished washing the truck, so got that. How it looks. Cleaned up. All the lights. Got it cleaned up. Lights are super bright, dude. See how bright these lights are when I open the door? They're pretty bright. I don't know why this keeps getting wet right here. It's the downfall, but I don't know why it keeps dripping right there. Look how it looks at night. Too bad. These lights are super bright. Fog lights. Lights up there are bright. Side mirror lights. I don't know why he does that after I wash it. So nighttime view on the truck at night. I'll get you plugged inside in here in a second. Like I said, I got the tail lights pretty bright. Side mirrors. Back here, about to put the defrost on. Go on. Go ahead and just hit the defrost. Turn up all the way. So there you go. Has the here light there. Pretty much it for the inside. Got the windows tinted. Feels so much better. Alright, what do y'all think? This is a nice shot. A lot of people have been asking for it. And here it is. Nice shot mode. Got the nice shot mode. There you go. Shot mode. Like I said, I need to get the windshield there in there. I got 5,000 miles, barely hit 5,400. Getting the oil change today. Yep, getting the oil change today. Just finished watching the truck. That was a little nice shot of it. I'll try to do better next time. Maybe getting some moving around shots and stuff like that, so you can actually see it moving. It's just that workers are here and everybody's starting to get up for work, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it short. I gotta go back, clean up, and I just finished washing two massive cars. So anything else y'all want to see of the truck, leave it in the comments below. Hey guys, thanks for watching.